Broadreach Nature Senior Care. Hello, my name's Dr. Barbara Fougere. I'm the in-house veterinarian for Broadreach Nature, and I've been a veterinarian for 35 years, including being a herbalist for 20 years. So we're going to talk about this product today, how it works, the research that supports its use, and safety. So before we talk about senior care, we have to talk about the causes of age-related mental decline. We also call that doggy dementia. Now, doggy dementia is very similar to the changes that occur in humans with Alzheimer's disease. And there's a couple of things that can lead to that. One is oxidative stress. And oxidative stress is damage that occurs to tissues, in this case the brain. And you've also heard about antioxidants, and antioxidants can offset oxidative stress. Now, dogs are often used to understand and study Alzheimer's disease in humans because our brains are actually very similar. And dogs can also have an accumulation of deposits called plaque. And these little deposits in the brain interfere with nerve transmission. So underneath mental decline or doggy dementia are changes in the structure and function of the brain. And then we'll see signs like your dog doesn't necessarily recognize you, might get a bit confused, might not wag his tail in the way that he used to. Sometimes he may make some inappropriate messes in the house, and perhaps he doesn't come to greet you at the door anymore, or he barks at night for no reason. And these signs can also occur in cats, but obviously with meowing rather than barking. And it doesn't always have to be really obvious. Some of these symptoms are very subtle, and it just might be a slight change in behavior. You might think that your companion isn't seeing as well as they used to. Sometimes these are the earliest signs of these brain changes. Now, apart from changes to vision, there are some other signs that can indicate that your companion's brain is aging. Sometimes it can be some gentle swaying, potentially falling. Sometimes their sense of smell isn't as great, so they might not wolf down their food. Sometimes there's a little bit of a head tilt, and occasionally you'll see some tremors, particularly in much older animals. And these are all signs related to an aging brain. Now, the good news is that research has shown that when dogs have a diet that's rich in antioxidants, that can actually improve brain cognition. It can also help maintain cognition or brain function, and diets rich in antioxidants reduce the oxidative damage. They actually offset the natural damage that can occur with aging. Researchers also showed that dogs receiving both an antioxidant-rich diet as well as environmental enrichment, such as going for a walk every day, showed increased levels of a protective brain factor that exists in the brain when they compared it to untreated aged dogs. In other words, if you can enrich your dog's environment with things to do and activities, as well as having the antioxidant-rich diet, you actually increase the brain protective factors. And that helps improve brain function and reduces the amount of these plaque deposits that occur in the brain. So why should you think about using senior care? It's veterinary formulated, so what we've done is looked into the research at the best ingredients that can provide a benefit to brain health. And these ingredients are generally synergistic. In other words, when you use each one alone, it has a benefit, but when you use them together, you get a much greater benefit. And these ingredients are generally plant-based phytochemicals, so directly derived from plants. The product is very safe, it's well tolerated, and it's easy to use. And of course, there aren't any GMO ingredients, and the products are made under good manufacturing practice. So it gives you an assurance of the quality of the product. So this unique combination of ingredients impacts directly on cognition and brain health. So it's something that you can do to help delay those age-related changes and potentially improve the health of your companion animal's brain if they are already showing some signs. So let's look at some of the ingredients. One of them is phosphatidylcholine. It's sometimes called choline as well, or lecithin, and it's a supplement I've used for many years as part of my anti-aging regimen for patients. So it occurs naturally in the membranes that surround cells in various tissues, and foods such as milk, eggs, liver, etc. are rich in choline. But clinical benefits can only be achieved by using a supplement. So it's a source of choline. It helps protect the brain and nervous system. And we know that low levels of phosphatidylcholine in the brain are associated with anxiety and those declines in brain function and behavioral changes in dogs. And so all middle-aged and older animals can benefit. In fact, in humans, lifelong supplementation produces profound benefits, and research suggests that simply modifying the diet throughout life with attention to antioxidants may help reduce Alzheimer's disease pathology. Saccharomyces is one of the ingredients that we've incorporated into the product, and supplementation in adult dogs, we know, alters the microbiome in the gut, and therefore this enhances the immune system and also reduces inflammation. In fact, probiotic supplementation is emerging as a way to alleviate stress and to reduce anxiety, and Saccharomyces is acting as a probiotic in this formula. Inositol is an ingredient that acts as an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory. It was once called vitamin B8, but it's not really a true vitamin. But what it does is it heightens the activity of certain hormones in the brain and therefore has a vital role in mood and emotional balance. In humans, inositol is used for various neurological conditions, including anxiety, post-traumatic stress syndrome, OCD, insomnia, depression, and Alzheimer's disease. And it's because of the research on this ingredient that we have included it as one of the important ingredients. Withania somnifera is also called ashwagandha, and there has been a lot of research on its use to enhance memory and improve cognition. It protects the brain, it can aid with regeneration of nerves, it reduces anxiety, it helps with sleep, it's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant in the brain, and it improves performance on tasks, including attention span and also reaction time. So research supports its use to improve cognition and brain health. Curcuma longa you may know as turmeric, and turmeric protects the brain and helps regenerate nerves. It's also antioxidant, and interestingly it improves the connections between areas in the brain, and these are sometimes lost with doggy dementia. Both curcuma, that's turmeric, and the pigment called curcumin drastically improve the memory process in aging animals. It's one of the key ingredients in our formula, but not the only one. Ginkgo biloba has a lot of research that's been going for many years, and it's been used in various different research models for its effects of improving cognition, in people and helping with dementia. In humans, an extract of ginkgo is able to stabilise or slow the decline in brain function and improve behaviour. In humans, it can take at least 5 months to see the full benefit of ginkgo. Interestingly though, in dogs, a clinical trial that was undertaken some time ago, they showed that ginkgo, when given daily, had positive effects on behaviour within 4 weeks, so dogs possibly respond to it quicker than humans do. And this is another important ingredient in this formula. Piperine is derived from pepper, Piper nigrum. And piperine is an important ingredient for a couple of reasons. One is that it enhances the absorption of some of the other ingredients, in particular curcumin from turmeric. On its own though, it's anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant, it reduces depression, it protects the brain, it enhances brain function, and it can also reduce anxiety and depression associated with plaque accumulation. In humans and dogs, multiple risk factors have been associated with brain aging, including vitamin B deficiencies, as well as that oxidative stress and low-grade inflammation and other factors as well. So B vitamin deficiencies are one issue, but research has also shown that supplementing with vitamin B may be beneficial to brain function in middle-aged or older people, even when they don't have an apparent vitamin B deficiency. So it's believed that it's beneficial to overall brain function, even when you've got relatively healthy aging. So what are the benefits of using senior care? Well, senior care has ingredients that support not just healthy aging, but the healthy aging brain. Now, nutritional supplements complement the use of medication, behavioural enrichment and environmental enrichment. So you need to talk to your veterinarian if you are concerned that your companion animal has symptoms or signs of dementia or aging brain. This formula contains ingredients that studies have shown to slow down age-related changes. The ingredients improve brain health and functioning and help prevent that decline in brain function. So the sooner you start using it when you see signs, the better. And it's safe and easy to use in cats and dogs. We recommend starting at around about 7 years of age, but you can start earlier, especially if your veterinarian recommends earlier use. This product is backed by science and developed by veterinary experts. At the end of the day, what this product can do is give you more time to enjoy your companion with a healthy aging brain and healthy behaviour, because doggy dementia and age-related change in cats' brains as well can be pretty challenging, and we'd love you to be able to enjoy more time with your companion whose brain is working well and very healthily.